two of the holdings that I've been looking at that you hold, BMW and Daimler, and I'm trying to understand why one would want to hold an auto company coming out the other side of this.
Yes, because you have to look beyond the next 2 or 3 quarters, and then you have to compare that to the price movement of the business. So at its low, BMW was trading at an enterprise value of roughly 15 billion euros, or we'll say 16 or 17 billion dollars. This is one of the premier auto brands in the world, had literally 16, 17 billion dollars in net cash on their balance sheet. That's what I included that in that enterprise value figure. Is a global business, is very, very well prepared in terms of product. It's moving into alternative energy cars, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then you kind of just compare that to the other extreme, Tesla, enterprise value of $180 billion, and loses money, by the way, never's earned money making cars. And you have BMW that should have a normalized operating earnings on the 2+ million cars it sells every year of over 8%. So when you could buy really strong businesses, okay, it's going to be in a challenge sector for the next couple months, but a year or two or whenever from now, being able to buy a BMW at that kind of valuation, I believe, will prove to be a very wise purchase. This is exactly what we look for. Good companies with good brands with the financial strength to make it through the crisis. And because they're in kind of a consumer discretionary bucket, the share price was literally destroyed. Year to date, both Daimler and BMW are down. Well, BMW's down about 30%, Daimler's down about 40%. It's also going through company-specific self-help exercises that were sorely needed before this crisis happened. And the new management team, I think, is being extremely successful at making it a better operating business. So you have to consider price, and you have to look beyond the next couple months. And when you do that, you see these are extremely valuable businesses that will bounce back in the medium term, and that today is a good time, or at these types of valuations, it's a good time to be involved. You don't buy it all at once, but you slowly buy into this extreme weakness.